Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Sorry, I was really hungry, so I needed to eat some fruit. But happy Tuesday. I am getting ready to go. I'm getting ready to go to the house. We got our flooring in this week. Supposedly they are done, or not done, but almost done. So I want to go by the house to check it out. And then also I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So we could just look at the house. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we are building a chateau, Chateau LeBlanc. And it's been super exciting. We broke ground on the house in August, and we are expecting to close in a couple of weeks. So that's always super exciting. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to go check out the house. And yeah, so we'll just tap in when we get there. Peace. Okay, so we are at the house. I'm gonna flip the camera 1 second. Okay, so we are at the house. We have some of our flooring in. The bedrooms are going to be carpet, and then the main flooring is going to be vinyl. So this room is the in-law suite, guest room, and then it also has a bathroom that is attached to it. With marble and granite. You come this way, it's an open floor plan, so this will be my office, office space with a window, which we'll put some shelves in eventually, but yeah. And then we have this way, it's the washroom. So here's the washroom, and we have storage that's gonna go over here. And then we have lots of counter space, and then of course washer and dryer will be right there. This is the garage, which is ginormous. And then of course this is a closet. Come this way, we have the other bathroom, which has a bathtub in it. And then we have another room, which will probably be for our firstborn, whenever that is. And then this will be AJ's man cave, which we're gonna transfer him into his own room where he plays the game. Hallway, of course. And then we're gonna come this way, and we have the kitchen. Let me hit these lights. So we have the kitchen. The kitchen has quartz countertops, and then all white here with the I forgot what this color is called, but the island is different than the rest of the kitchen. And then we have more space here, which I love. We have all of this storage space, storage. And then you come around the corner, and here is our pantry. Awesome. And then here's the overview of what it looks like. So you have a breakfast area over there, and then this is the living room, which they have not finished the flooring in the living room, but here's a sneak peek of what the flooring looks like. It's just a brown vinyl. And this is my favorite part of the house, is our sliding doors, which is non-negotiable when I saw this floor plan. But we have sliding doors, and then also a extended covered patio. And then last but not least is the owner's retreat, which is over here, and this will be our bedroom. And then here's our bathroom, which we have the super shower action over here, which is my favorite part as well, because it's so different. And then the sinks, we haven't gotten our mirrors yet, but here's the toilet area. And then this is the super shower. How neat is this? Like, look at this shower in the ceiling. Amazing. And then here's gonna be our closet, which we are going to get the California closet. So we'll get all of this taken out and then, you know, do our own little thing there. So yeah, looks great. It is coming along. We're just waiting for the rest of our flooring to get done. But yeah, it's looking really nice, actually. Looking really, really nice. So yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so yeah, we're super excited. Everything is looking really nicely. They have the floors covered up so that they won't get like scuffed up, and so that they won't have to replace it. But yeah, everything's coming along. We're super excited. Hopefully the flooring will be done by the end of the week, because when the flooring is done, that's when they'll be able to give you like an idea of when your closing date is. But yeah, super excited. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I didn't want to make it super long. Also, please do not mind the coolers in the back. We've been having those coolers in there since the wedding, and I haven't had the chance to go drop them off. So yeah, don't mind the coolers. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the home vlog. I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted on the progress and things that are to come at the house, but everything's looking good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.